Hey everyone, it's Tiana. So I'm back with another YouTube video. So this eyeshadow look is pretty much self-explanatory. I did this look back in 2019, like April of 2019, and so I wanted to recreate it and put a little twist on it, added something different. So yeah, just keep on watching. So with this, I'm gonna take the Juvias Place Zulu palette and put that brown shade. I'm gonna focus that on the end of my eye. Just focus that at the end, pack that color on, and then I'm gonna blend that color out. Okay, so after I add that eyeshadow, I'm going to cut my crease with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. How I cut my crease is I just put it as a marker at the bottom of my lid and then look up, and then that's how I shape my crease shape. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the yellow from that Zulu palette and pack that all over that cut crease that I did. Just pack it on, and then after that I'm gonna add the Colourpop shimmer eyeshadow, the Super Shock shadow, and add that on top of that yellow shade. So after I pack on the yellow shade, there's like a little small faint line that's from my concealer. So what I do is follow that line, and that's how I make my liner, because you already know I struggle with liner. And so just to give me like a better guide, because I have shaky hands. So yeah, that makes it a lot easier for me. I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone, so I'm trying to do more liner looks. So yeah, I think I'm doing pretty good so far. So next I'm gonna take the Smashbox 15-hour foundation. This is different from what I always use. You know, I always wear like NYX or my NARS foundation. So this is like, I haven't used this foundation since last summer. So this is like my favorite foundation. Definitely suggest it if you're like a type of person that, like me, you have dry skin. It's perfect for you and it lasts all day. So next I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. These are a dupe for the Colourpop No Filter concealers that I usually use. I'm running out of my no filter concealer and it's sold out online. So I had to improvise, and I definitely suggest this if you're if the no filter concealer is your favorite. Why am I losing my voice? Always. But I put that on my nose, on my forehead, and also my chin. So next I'm going to take the setting powder from Fenty in the shade Honey. This is my favorite setting powder. And everything that I use in this eyeshadow look will be linked in the description below. So make sure you check that out. And yeah, just keep on watching. After that, I'm going to take the bronzer from ABH, which is in the shade Mahogany. I love this bronzer. It gives you that golden look for my melanin babies. You're going to look so sun-kissed for the summer. So I definitely suggest buying this. I did buy a new bronzer from Beauty Bakery, so I'm going to check that out. But I'll let you guys know about that one. That video is coming soon, very soon. Okay, so next I'm going to take the blush from the Patrick Star Spring Collection. I really like that blush. It's not available anymore. And then I'm going to set my face before I put on the highlight. So I'm going to take my lashes from Sosoddity Lashes, and then I'm going to line my lips with MAC Chestnut, and then I'm going to take Knock on Wood from Dose of Colors. To add that little gloss, I use this plumping gloss from Dr. Lancer. No one told me that this gloss was $42.50. It's too expensive, but I'm just going to have to squeeze it out a little bit at a time. I'm not going to, I got this free from BeautyCon. Not buying it. It's too expensive. And this, guys, is the finished look. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.